Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram black screen problem solve. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open your mobile phone setting. Now tap on settings and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone apps and tap on search bar and search Instagram app. Tap on Instagram app and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and go back. Now tap on Play Store and search Instagram app. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, first of all update your Instagram app and go back. Now tap on your mobile phone settings and now tap on your mobile phone display. Now tap on night mode, turn off and go back. After this, restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.